Get him, Lily. Where'd they go? Okay, they're starting to toughen her up now at this age. The alphas. It's all right, Tippy. Do what you do. What's Lily doing? Are you getting... They did that to Liesel. And they did it to Nugs. But Liesel's going to stand up for her. That's Liesel's baby. It's not really her baby, but she's the caregiver. She's the nanny dog. Yep, they're starting to toughen her up. She runs to me for protection. All right, let her go. I want to give it to her if she comes to me for it, because she knows I'm the one in charge. She's not scared of Isaac, but she is scared of Tippy. He's just itching on her. He's like love biting around her neck. Oh, you're such a good guy, Isaac. All right, Lily, let's get them lightning bugs. Where'd them lightning bugs? Here's... Oh, there she goes after her mom. That's more fun. Where's them lightning bugs? Lilies. Let her alone. Get him, Lily. Look. Go get it. Get it, Lily. Where is it? There's one. Good girl. I missed you and can't get it, Lily. Good girl. Get it. Good girl. There it is. Go get it. Get it, Lily. There it is. There it is, Lily. Get him. Get him, Lily. Get him, Lily. Get him. Get them lightning bugs. Go get it, good girl. My dogs are happy. Look at the smiles. It's because they all live together as a family. It doesn't matter if we go away, stay inside, whatever. They're just happy. They don't care when I'm sick. They just want to be with me. Their favorite thing's outside. Not all of them like to go. Isaac prefers to stay home. Who else likes to stay home? Spunky kind of likes to stay home. She keeps herself content. Tippy'd rather stay home. So those three'd rather stay home. Nugs wants to do whatever I'm doing. Don't you, Nuggies? Nuggies! Nuggies, come on. Good girl. Nug, come. Didn't you hear me? That's a good girl. You mommy's a good girl. You're always a good girl. Not always. Sometimes you're a naughty girl. I smell her chestnut tree over there blooming. That's a different kind of smell. Just the lightning bug. Looks blurry at night. I need a new camera. Go get 'em, Lilies.